Good morning everybody and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. It's Monday the 12th of April and we're in Blackpool to video a series of films of different bits of the town on the day that non-essential retail and outdoor eating and various different things are reopening. So we're going to do this walk. We popped into town a couple of weeks ago, so we're going to do this walk in the same route that we did last time. And we're going to start here at the side of Coral Island and the Sands venue, and we're going to walk through the town centre and we're going to see where the queues are and what it looks like today. And we might even go in one or two shops if we've got time. So, well, I've already done quite a few walks around Blackpool, which will be live and online during the course of this week, and it's definitely a lot busier. It's a lot busier than it was last time, about a fortnight ago, would it be? And it's a lovely morning for it. It couldn't have been better weather if they'd have tried. So the shops are all open again. The buses are obviously busy, travelling backwards and forwards, picking everybody up. The Hill shops are open. It's really quite busy. Be interesting to see whether there's a queue at Poundland. Hounsell's been open just for people to go into the car park and the food retailers that were open inside there, but obviously today all the retailers inside are open. Tower and the Dungeon and everything is not open until the 17th of May. Let's see if there's a queue at Primark. Oh, there's not. That's a miracle. I think everybody must be pacing themselves. Looks as if there's quite a few people in the shop though, and shopping, judging by the bags that they've got. Oh, it is nice to see things coming back to normal again. Look how clean the windows are as well. Last time we came on here, I commented about how dirty everybody's windows were because they were all closed. The guy's back with his wriggly worms. This scaffolding here is access to the tower ballroom because there's some restoration work going on the tower ballroom ceiling. So it'll be interesting to see that when it's finished. But everybody's kind of keeping away from one another, and there's plenty of people wearing masks. So you don't kind of think you're going to catch something. Oh, shame we didn't catch the busker. What a shame. Heard them playing a little minute ago as we were walking along the seafront. And this is the side entrance to the Winter Gardens. In fact, we'll go this way. We'll go this way and have a look at Victoria Street. I'll show you the tower before we get around this corner. There you go. You've got to look at the tower, especially when it's got a backdrop of a blue sky like that. So this is Victoria Street, and this is the other entrance into the Untitled Shopping Centre. Shops are all opening up. It's quite warm in that sun. Got all the hand sanitising back in the Hounsell. Debenhams is open again today as well. So if you're wanting to catch any final bargains before they close the doors for the last time, now's your chance. And we commented last time we came through Blackpool about how quiet it was on this little bit of Corporation Street at the left. And I bet it's a different sight today. It is, there's plenty of people about. We'll go this way up to the Winter Gardens. So this is the back entrance to the bar at the Grand Theatre, which obviously is closed at the moment. Just speed past this lady.
Yeah, I'll sort out that and I did reserve a big loaf.
I seem to be seeing food everywhere I go because I'm getting hungry. Nando's is open for takeaway. Bottom end of Church Street. And then we'll carry on up here, and then we're following the same route. Mr. Seagull stood waiting for some food, or they've taken pity on him, look. Not quite sure what they've given him, but he's eating it. The works is open. That's another subject for another day, that. That's a must visit. Marks and Spencer's has been open anyway because they sell food. It's definitely appreciably busier. So let's hope everybody's going to be sensible and we're not going to end up in another lockdown. Greg's is busy. It's lovely to see the town centre busy again, even for a Monday morning. Outside eating's back in place at Hive, and they have some beautiful food and drinks and things, so that's well worth a visit. Toy shops are open. Goodness, what a difference. Just shows that you need life and people to make a town come to life. And we're at Abingdon Street, which is where we've been concluding our lockdown walks. So that is a difference. Pastels are obviously open straight in front of us with their outdoor area. They've got the balloons up. Oh, listen. Please maintain a 2 metre distance. That's a good idea. Just in case you'd forgotten. So there we are, back into the sunshine. Right. Hope you've enjoyed this walk round Blackpool Town Centre on the day that retail and outside food reopen. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Visit Fylde Coast and make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications, and we will see you soon. Bye for now.